Hello everyone, before we continue this episode of Ruthless News, we want to inform our viewers that prior to releasing the video, the plaintiff Christian Foss dropped his lawsuit against JUUL and Philip Morris. Despite what's happened, we thought it would still be a good idea to explain the details of the case. Enjoy this episode. This week on Ruthless News, JUUL and Philip Morris are being sued under the RICO Act. The RICO Act stands for Racketeer Influence and Corrupt Organization Act. It is a law that provides extended criminal penalties and a civil cause for acts performed as part of an ongoing criminal organization. This was the act that helped bring down the mafia. So why is JUUL and Philip Morris being sued? They are being sued because of 19-year-old Christian Foss, who is suing said defendants because he became addicted to nicotine and claims he suffered worsening asthma symptoms because of it. Foss states that he became addicted to his JUUL when he was 16 years old, well below the legal smoking and vaping age. He is seeking to recover unspecified sums in compensation and punitive damages. The case is based on what Foss's lawsuit states as mimicking Big Tobacco's past marketing practices. Defendants prey on youth for financial gain. This is just one of the many recent lawsuits that have been thrown at JUUL in the past few months. Some of the more recent allegations include Lake County State's Attorney Office in Illinois and a woman filing a lawsuit in Charleston, West Virginia on behalf of her child. Many of the lawsuits contain the same language as the rest, blaming vape for their nicotine addiction, when the product was intended to assist people off of combustible cigarettes. What do you feel about the wave of lawsuits filed against the vape giant? Let us know in the comments below. I'm Nico from Ruthless News. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.